Getting started with VpK is as easy as downloading the software, running a couple of commands to install the required packages, and starting it. So the software is available in a GitHub repository. The GitHub repository is github.com/k8debug/VpK. So you can see that up here. Now you have two options when you're downloading the software. You can obtain the software in a zip file and unzip that to a directory, or you can clone the repository. I'm going to elect to clone the repository, so I'm copying that GitHub repository name to the clipboard. Now that I have that information, I can open a terminal window and do a git clone. Cut and paste that repository. Now the information is being downloaded, or the application is being downloaded to a directory on my local box. Now you need to CD to that directory. The name of the directory will be VpK, or whatever directory you've unzipped the software into. Once you're in that directory, let's list that directory and see what's in there. And here's the package file. To download the npm or the Node.js packages using npm. So now we'll do an npm install. Once it's completed downloading the packages, you'll want to check to see if there are any vulnerabilities. There are no vulnerabilities. So now we'll start the VpK server. To do that, we'll use npm start. Once the server is started, you'll note that the port where it's running is shown here in this banner. So it's port 4200. We'll need to open a browser on your local machine, so it'll be localhost port 4200. So let's go ahead and do that to get started. Localhost 4200, you see I've done that. And the VpK product has been started. And that's how easy it is to get started with using VpK. For additional information, please check out the built-in help for the product, or continue watching other videos for VpK, the tool that helps you visualize what's inside Kubernetes. Thank you.